In Tigrigna, there are 32 letter families, and in each family, there are 7 letters. So today we're gonna learn about the family letter B. B is written like this. B. You could think of B as an upside down U. So B looks like this. Second one would be Bu. Third one would be B. Fourth letter would be Ba. Fifth would be Be. Sixth letter would be B. And last one would be Bo. So this all is one family. If you notice, all this 6 letters follow the first one. So if you know the first one of, like, in each family, it's pretty easy to guess the rest. So let's look at B. So let's say we know this one. We know how to write it. Second one would, the only thing we need to add to it is that dash in the middle. And if we go to the third one, we just put it looks exactly the same the first one, but we just need the dash at the bottom. And if we look at the fourth one, it's exactly like the first one, but minus the part. Fifth, which need to add circle at the bottom. Sixth, it's kind of similar to Bu, which is the second letter. You need to add the dash on the opposite side. Bo seems like Ba, the fourth letter. You just do it to the opposite side. So I hope you can see kind of like a trend with these letters. So this rule, like the rules for the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth and seventh, it kind of follows with the rest of the family letters. If you look, let's say for an example, Se is, I'm just gonna write on top because Se and Be are very similar. So if, let's say we have, this is, if you add that line at the top, it becomes Se. From Be it goes Se. Su, you would just need to add that line. Si, that line. Sa, Se. This is where it could get complicated. The sixth one is I call it mysterious because it acts differently most of the time. Sometimes it's very easy to guess, but it's kind of mysterious. So instead of having the dash here, you would just like kind of tilt it a little bit. So it would just be like this. So if you go to so, you just need to, you would just put that. So from Be, all we needed to do was that dash, that line on top. Now, let's go back to the letter Be, because Tigrigna is very easy if you know the basics. So let's write Be now, as we already wrote it, but let's practice writing it. So how do you write U? U is just the letter U in English. It's simply this, right? So if you just flip it upside down, it's Be. Be. So again, same thing, the letter U in English. If you just flip it and add a dash on the side, it's Bu. The third letter is B. It's really easy to write the letters. So like we said, upside down U, the letter U in English, and then flip it. And the only difference is we just need the line at the bottom. Fourth letter is Ba. All you need to do is, so it's similar to Be. We just, like we said, subtract this part. Ba. The fifth letter is Be. put it right there. B is just the last letter is bo, which is written like this. So it's kind of like the flip side of ba. So I just bo. So this is what the family B looks like. So, and the sound is very similar. So let's say them out loud. So be, bu, bi, ba, be, b, bo. So let's choose another family. Like we already said. Let's sound it out. If we had the letters se, it would be se, su, si, sa, se, si. So another one would be ke. Ke would be ke, ku, ki, ka, ke, ki, ko. 7, right? Each family has 7 letters. So another one would be he. He, hu, he, ha, he, hi, ho. The sounding is very, like, really similar. On how you pronounce the first letter of each family is very similar. On how you pronounce the second letter in each family is very similar. So we say be, bu, right? The first one, be, bu, right? And if we go to se family, the first one would be se, su. See how similar? The first one, se, this one's be, right? If we were looking at the se family, it would be se, su. All right, let me give you an example. All right. So this ones are going to sound similar. This ones are going to sound similar. This ones are going to sound similar. And this ones are going to sound similar. So let's sound be, se, right? So be, bu, bi, ba, se, su, si, sa. The first one of each family are going to sound similar. The second ones are going to sound similar. Third ones are going to sound similar. And the fourth, it keeps going on like that.